Hello everyone, these are my paper sculpture based on Yoshimura pattern, and in this video I'll show how to fold its cylindrical form. The Yoshimura pattern is formed by identical isosceles triangles. These connected triangles in each row form tessellation of diamonds. I'm going to show you the scaled version of the diagram that I'm going to follow. So I'll quickly tell you, this straight line over here that you see represents as a mountain, and dotted line represents as a valley fold. Okay, here. So as you can see, the columns which represent as an n is equal to 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the main that will be visible out of the cylinder, and this fifth one, it will be hidden. Okay, hidden. So basically what we are going to do, we are going to roll it and going to join 5 and 1 together to make a circle cylindrical form. Let's start with A4 size sheet to form pre-creases. I'm going to fold this area blindly, and remaining part will be divided separately into 4 equal parts. So join this corner of the paper onto this crease and fold to form another crease. You get 2 equal parts and divide again to form 4 equal parts. But when you combine this extra part along with 4th fold together, you will eventually get 5 equal parts, and this technique leaves this excess piece of paper which can be cut and removed. So yes, now you see 5 equal parts. 5th column is for sticking to 1st column once the pattern is ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to divide paper into 8 rows first. Now let's fold this paper horizontally into half and then align it so well that you get crease exactly in the center. Then divide these 2 parts into half to form 4 parts and follow the same step to get 8 equal parts. Done. We have done this in most of my paper folding videos, but I'm repeating this so that you won't feel that I have skipped something. So if you have any doubt or queries, please ask me in the comment section. I'm happy to answer. Next step is to form diagonal crease from this point to this point. I'm showing how to make it manually. You can either use ruler or pencil to form lines, or creasing tool to form creases. If that's comfortable to you, do it. But give this way a try. You just have to fold along these intersections and fold in such a way that you get defined mountain folds on the other side of the paper. If you are a beginner and find it difficult to fold this way, use a ruler with pencil or creasing tool to form crease. Some people also have the printed diagram ready and then they make creases. There is one more way, but expensive one. You can make creases by creating etched line with the help of laser cutting machine, which partially engraves paper with lines. I'll definitely have that machine in my studio in future, and I would love to share more of my studio space, materials and tools in my future videos. You should check out my other videos and playlist and subscribe to my channel. I have aimed to grow 10k subscribers. Join in and comment your suggestion and feedback. Once diagonal creasing is done from one side, fold from opposite side to form cross diagonal pattern. Here I show this step in brief. Now we are going to divide rows into half with valley folds to make 16 equal parts. Observe carefully how we can align and fold to achieve perfection in folding. We are nothing but forming mountains and valley folds to form linear fold pattern, which will help us to form Yoshimura pattern. Here is an important technique. Roll your finger from underneath of this paper this way Just give a little push to these folds. Just give a little push to these folds to form valley folds inside diamonds, and repeat the process in each diamond. I take help of my special creasing tool to push the folds up and down to achieve desired pattern. Now this is an important step where we cut out half of fifth column. Make this part flatten and then cut it along the center axis of diamonds. We can again refold it to check the alignments and sharpen the fold. Because again we are going to flatten this area when we paste it along with first column. Here, I am directly applying white adhesive. Once it is done, align the other side over the lines and match the creases and paste it carefully. Sustain all the folds back by pushing the folds in and out, which ultimately form a cylindrical modular form. You can experiment with size of the paper by adding extra row and columns and just play with the form to make paper sculptures. There are a number of possibilities. I hope you found this video helpful. Watch my other videos and playlist. If you like my work, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to watch more future videos and work updates. Please share your feedback and suggestions in the comment section below. If you have queries, feel free to write. I'll definitely give an attention to it and answer. Keep creating and exploring. Be happy and healthy. Goodbye and see you in the next video.